I head up a team personally of 8 master sommeliers and certified wine educators, and they're located in our main markets, which are California, New York, Florida, Texas, and Illinois. And their primary purpose is to ensure that our sales personnel are as highly educated and knowledgeable and certified as possible to be able to work with their customers' fine wine needs and expectations. So that's the real crux of the issue, is that we have these people that are dedicated exclusively to employee education, to train the trainers, so to speak, and get them out there working with all of our massive amounts of customers across the country. So yeah, we have a lot of people that are not master sommeliers that have other certifications below that, and I think the number is pushing 4,000 by the end of this year. We'll have over 4,000 employee wine and spirits and sake and beer certifications as well. So we work very closely with our people to ensure that they are the best educated sales force on the street. In addition to that, we also have 9 master sommeliers who also hold key management and sales specialist positions around the country. For example, in Florida, Laura De Pasquale heads up our artisanal division, which is exclusively made up of very high-end, small production wine and spirits producers, and they call mostly on top high-end on-premise accounts with some retail as well. And all of this adds a big, tremendous amount of value to our supplier partners as well. As I mentioned, the primary purpose of my team of 8 is to provide both internal education as well as external certification to our wine divisions around the country. And every year we're adding to our growing list of fine wine employees that have passed WSET Level 2, along with the Court of Master Sommeliers introductory exam, the Society of Wine Educators Certified Specialist of Wine, and even higher levels of certification, such as the Certified Sommeliers exam, among others. Also, I'm taking my team of fine wine experts on several educational trips to continue furthering their knowledge. In April, we go to Tuscany, Italy, for a week, and in October, I believe, we're going to go to France and visit Burgundy, Alsace, and possibly Champagne to make sure that they're always relevant and current with what's going on in these wine regions around the world. Well, in addition to the potential gain in sales and distribution of their products throughout our network because of our expertise, we also provide education directly to our supplier partners. For example, this past autumn, I conducted the new WSET Level 1 qualification in sake for the entire national team at Shaw Ross International Importers, who are the exclusive U.S. importer of Gekikan sake. So we try to work with their personnel as well, and in terms of education. So adds a lot of value to our supplier partners as well. Oh, I've got a lot of things planned for this year and beyond. First and foremost, right now, development of many more education and certification programs, both internal and external. For example, right now I'm working on a new Expert in Champagne internal education program that will be available to all of our qualified wine sales employees across the country. And we plan this to become an internal prerequisite course to the more advanced course, which is called Champagne Master Level program. This is offered by the Wine Scholar Guild. So one of our big initiatives this year is to really focus on champagne and sparkling wine. It's been such a hot category again after the recession of 2008. We see champagne and sparkling wine sales growing every year since then. And it's a certification that prior to this did not exist, so we want to try to sort of lead the way for the rest of the country in providing our own internal certification for sparkling wine and champagne, and then have the best of the best go through the Champagne Expert in Champagne program offered by the Wine Scholar Guild. In addition to that, we've also launched the Italian Wine Professional Course and Exam, which is offered by an outside organization called Italian Wine Central. And we actually started that last fall, but we're really rolling it out in a big way this year. And also new in 2017 will be the French Wine Scholar Course and Exam, offered by the Wine Scholar Guild. We're seeing a big need for specialized education, such as these programs for our wine sales experts, especially on Italian and French wines. And last but not least this year, we'll also be launching the next level of WSET, which I didn't mention before, is the Wine and Spirits Education Trust. We currently use their Level 2 platform in wine and spirits as our nationwide online training program for wine sales. But this year we're going to be launching the advanced level 3, focusing exclusively on wine as a qualification around the country. So that's going to be the real big push above and beyond everything else that we're doing currently. So, as I said, lots of good things happening and much more down the road. So stay tuned.